At Sensoji temple in Asakusa, you can find these Gingko trees with dark skin. It turns out these trees survived the Great Tokyo Air Raid of March 10, 1945 during World War II. The charred barks are scars from the napalm fire, the kind of heat that melted steel and took over more than 100,000 civilian lives overnight. Ginkgo trees hold more water than other trees, which helped them survive the intense flames. And legend says one of them even splashed water to save the main building from burning. Actually, this is one reason Tokyo historically planted so many Ginkgo trees as natural fire girls. And near the entrance of the temple, a small Buddha sits quietly as a memorial to the victims. So, next time you walk there, pause for a moment. These trees aren't just trees, they are witnesses to the destruction and to the long journey of recovery and reconciliation we live in today. If you slow down, you can see that.